So now you can see your building has been completed, all the models you have created, all the views also has been created. But right now if you see here, your building, everything, it is footing, column, everything is visible because the underground things also it is visible here. So for that reason, after completion of your building, then you have to do the exterior modeling and exterior designs of our building surrounding area, compound area you can say. Because your building is located some so and so area, but in that area beside any buildings or beside any roads, so that everything we have to be designed, that we will call the exterior design. And that exterior designing we will do it with different components like Toposurface, one of the components, then site components like trees and plants, grasses, roads, everything. That all comes under external design only, or we will call the infra design also, infrastructure design also we can able to say. So now you can see the building has been completed. Now I want to put a topo surface, because whenever you are going to start anything on the building part, that time the first you have to be go through the topo surface, because your topo should be there. Topo surface is nothing but mud level. So you have to go here floor plan, and you can see here there is a site plan, one floor plan is there. You have to go double click on the site plan, and after double clicking then it will become a top view of your building. So this is a site plan. Site plan is nothing but zero level, earth level, mud level, that we will going to be work out here in site. So first we have to provide the topo surface. So you can see here there is a topo solid, am I right? There are a topo solid. So topo solid is in two different ways. We can sketch also, we can import also. Import means for landscaping design there is one more software is there, some company people, so mostly the surveyor department people they will use. Okay, so if they have already given the landscaping topo surface drawing to you with contour levels, everything is ready, then that topo surface we will make it import in your model, and we can show that the same topo surface is, that topo surface is exactly matching with your building surrounding area. So that time we have to go create from import. We have to be click and we have to be created from our site own, we will do it. So that is the way we can able to work out. So some of the company they will give topo surface with the help of CAD file also it will be there. CAD means how it will become civil 3D. If the person is working in civil 3D software and they will creating all the topo surface, so that topo surface you have to make it link that civil 3D CAD file with the help of insert CAD, link CAD, and after that when you will go here this topo solid menu, you will find here there is a create from import, one option is there. If you click this one, so then CAD file will be visible here, then you have to select here create from CAD. If you click create from CAD, so there will be a CAD file should be there, and that CAD file link you have to click it. If you clicking the link, so what will happen, how the topo surface is available in the CAD file, same topo surface is going to be imported in our model also. Same to same it will be imported. So through that way we can able to create this topo surface by using this CAD file. This is the one way. And here one more also there is a CSV file format is also will be there. Okay, so CSV format if the client is given, so the CSV format file also you have to be import with the help of import CAD. Here option will be there. With the help of import CAD or with the help of insert file, this option also we can able to use that 2D CSV file. So with that file also we can able to create the. So what will happen here, any external file you are getting as the input as the topo surface. So with the help of here this create from import we can able to do it. If there is no file, there is no input of the topo surface, but you have to create your own, so that time you have to go create from sketch, means manually you have to do. There is no external file, there is no input, nobody has did the topo surface. There will be no other format, the file will be available. So that time you have to go create from sketch. You have to click here and you have to draw the sketch from where to where you require the topo surface. So here you can see there is a topo solid. Am I right? This is a topo solid. This is the mud level. And here the topo solid, the thickness of the mud, here default it is given some 1000 mm. Okay, so the solid it will be coming some 1000 mm. If you want to make it change, so you have to make it duplicate. The thickness of the mud means something, the mud should be 1 meter depth he has taken. If you say no sir, I want to put some 500 mm, so you can make it duplicate and you have to create 500 mm the thickness of the mud. So here you have to go 500 mm thickness. And if you see here, if there is a mud, and sorry, above the mud I require one cement layer, because your building surrounding you have already made with the cement plaster something. So we have to create a like floor, how we are creating number of segregation part, each layer. So here also you can able to create some layer and you can give some thickness. So if you give some thickness or layer on that, so it will become one more layer here. Like that, the topo surface you can able to create each layer as per the requirement of your project. So that the way also we can able to make it. Or some company people, what they will do, this is the topo, this is the mud. Some 500 depth I have taken here. If you make it increase, so the depth also is going to be make it increase. So above the mud level, they are going to make it some finishing level or something they are going to add. So that time also we can go here and you can add it. Whatever you require, you can make it here also the same. So as per your requirement, how the floor, FFL level, how we have created, here this is the same way, the topo surface above layer also you can able to create by using here the layerization, segregation part you can able to do it. Okay, so now I don't want any layers on that because I want to put a mud. So you just go as it is and just click here OK. Now it has been created, and meanwhile after creation just go with OK. Now your mud level has been created with 500. Before it is 1000 mm. Now it was 500. Now with the help of this draw toolbar, now you can go and create. Sir, I want to create with the line because my land is somewhat different views will come in. So like that you can create it. So how you are sketching the topo surface, here your mud level will become the same way. But always you have to remember it should be enclosed. The sketch should not keep any open. So if you keep it open, it will be not come. So you have to keep sketch here, and if you want to add any slope arrow also, you can add it, no issue. But first you have to draw the boundary line. And after creation the boundary line, now you have to go with OK. Now you can see your topo surface has been created. So now if you want to see, so you just go fine and you just click here shaded, it will become your topo surface. Now if you want to see in 3D, you can see your footing, everything is below the mud level and above there is a mud level. And here whatever the beam, everything is you seeing, this is the plinth beam. This is the ground level beam. So that is plinth beam. Plinth floor, everything will be there. And the thickness of the mud I have taken up to 500 mm. So you can increase it also 500, more than 500 also you can increase it, no issue. So now you can see the topo surface has been created as per your sketch. Now building, surrounding, everywhere you can see there is a mud level. And the material is also has been given as earth. Earth is nothing but mud level that we can able to add it. So after completion of the mud level, now you have to give each and every level as a contour level, because now this is a plane. There is no height, there is no levels, nothing. It is a zero level right now. You can see here there is a zero level. So after placing this topo surface, you will get some of the parameters. You can see the perimeter of your topo surface, the area which you have covered your topo surface, and the volume of your topo surface is going to be show you here. So these are the parameters of your topo surface surrounding your building has been designed, and this is the way we have to be doing. So now some of the, because the mud level may be some area may be same as a zero, some area maybe some up and down may be there. So we have to add here the contour level, and the contour level we will add manually. How we possible? You have to click this topo surface. Here you can see there is a add point. You can see there is an add point. There is a split line. With the help of line also we can able to make it a contour level. With the help of points also we can able to make a contour level. So you have to add, click, and you can see the surrounding point already some of the point of that contour point. This point, what are the circle point you are finding here, this point we will call as a contour point. Okay, so after clicking here you can see some of the contour point already it was there. If you want to add, you just click here, it is going to be added. You can see. If you click here, it is added. If you click here, it is added. If you click here, it is added. So number of contour points you can add it. And after adding each and every contour point, you have to give the elevation. You have to, after clicking this point, you have to give the value here. What is the height of that topo surface? So sir, here some 20 mm height is there, so you just put 20 mm value here. So now you can see your topo surface has been updated with height. And with the help of this arrow button also you can make it up and down also. When you are going to update, it is increasing the value. So each and every contour point you have to be provided here. And you can give here the point with the help of base point, project base point, or survey point also you can able to give it. And with the current level also if you are going to give, that is also possible. So how you are giving this point, that is main. So here the project base point you have to put, and each and every contour level you have to give the value here. So whatever the value will be there, that value you have to be added. So here some 20 mm, 30 mm, because from the 0 what is the elevation? Some of the value may be minus also, minus some 100 mm maybe. So it will be go down. So like that each and every contour point manually you have to be updated. So when you are going to do any landscaping design, so the landscaping company people, the survey people, they will give the level of your land. You can see in the colleges also, the civil engineer department people, they are going to do some survey, and they are using some stand. In that stand they are going to see something, the level. So the level it is going to be adding the value. So that level value what they are adding, that is contour level, and that value have to be added here as per the requirement of the project. So by giving each and every point, this point is identifying that your mud level is not here exactly 0, it is having some height. And whatever the height value you are finding here, this is the height. Maybe it is minus, maybe plus. Maybe it is go above floor, maybe go below floor. Like that each and every contour points you have to add by using this point. Okay, that with the help of this point it is going to be added. You can add the existing point also here. You can see if you are going to add it, that existing point, that is also possible, you can add it. So you can see existing some of the points are coming, so you can give some of the values here. So with the help of that existing point, here also the contour value is going to be added. So whatever the green color point which you are finding here in the contour level, this point will be existing contour points, and whatever the points you are adding here, that is our add point, and that is our contour point. Now you can see your mud level has changed. You can see there is some up and down. Here the mud level is 0, here some height it is coming. So each and every mud point you have to be add with the help of add point. With the help of add point you can add. If you want to make any modification, you have to go modify sub element. Then again you have to make it change. So whenever you want to do any addition, any value changes of the contour level, so you can go with modify sub element. So you can go add. With the help of adding, you can see when you are going to adding it, it will become the point. So there is some thousands of contour points will be there in the topo surface, because the topo surface always it will be not in 0, because the land will be goes high level, maybe low level, maybe minus underground level also it will come. So there is a number of contour points you can add it here, and each and every contour point you have to give the value. So whenever you are going and adding here, you can see there is a multiple contour points will be there. So all the topo surface is going to be calculated with the contour surface, contour value, contour level we can able to do. Okay, so with this way, after completion of the contour level, then you have to go with the road. Now you are building entrance, which side is there? So with the help of road, you have to be design the road also here. So you have to select the topo surface. Again, you can see here there is a subdivide. Subdivide is nothing but you can place something over the topo surface. So whatever the layers you are going to be adding over the topo surface, that layer we will call as a subdivide. So you have to be click here, and with the help of subdivide you can design your roads also. So that road we will call as sub-region. So sub-region is nothing but subdivide also we can able to see here. Now you can see this is your building and this is the entrance part, am I right? So this side if you want to add it the road, so if you have to be sketch with the help of this subdivide. So you just click subdivide and you just go and sketch your road from where to where you require the road. Sir, my road is going, is the highway road, it is going like that from here to here, and another width of the road is up to here. Something just as an example I am just sketching. You have to make it close. So this is your road, and after adding this road you have to add the material here. So road material will be there, you have to go and add in the material. So mostly the road may be some asphalt material. Asphalt means it is a tar road. So you can go here, asphalt material, you can see here, asphalt bitumen. This is the material we are going to be adding. This is black color, asphalt material will be there. You just go and add it here. And the sub road, you can give some height also. If you require, you can put some height. Height is nothing but thickness. How much the thickness of your road, that you have to add it here. And after adding, just go with OK. Now you can see your road has been designed. This is your road. Okay. And this road, if you want to make it sketch of the entrance of your building, that is also possible. You just go edit a sketch again, and you can make it here some sketch in such a way that your entrance of your road is like that, and it is coming with some straight line, and it is entering up to your building surrounding part, and again it is going here, and with curveness again it is bending some system. Here also you can make it some system. And this part you have to make it slick. So sketching you can do as per your requirement, as per your process you can able to make it just sketch. So like that you can do it. So your road will be like that. This is your entrance part, you can see. Now this is the road, and the road thickness I have given here something 0.3 means 300 mm thickness I have given. You can make it less also. Sir, my road thickness is only 100 mm. So you can put 100 mm more. So you have to be design the road like that. You have to sketch along with the road width, everything you have to sketch here. Okay. After sketching the road, in the road itself you have to put some of the parking signs, like one-way road, two-way road, and if between the road there is a divider, that everything, the partitions, everything you have to be do with the help of parking component. So first you have to create the topo surface, and after creating the topo surface you have to give the contour level, and after adding the contour level then you have to add the road. If the road is there in beside your building, the entrance side, and then after adding the road, then you have to go with the parking component. Means sign, parking signs, everything you can provide. So you have to go parking components like that, and you can see there is no parking component has been loaded in the file. So you have to go add loading the parking sign. So how we will get this parking sign? You have to go site here. Because right now we are working with the site, so we have to go site folder. If you click the site folder, you can see there is a parking on folder is there. Double click on that, you can see there is a multiple signs. This is one way, this is straight, this is straight, this is turn, this is island. Between the road, you can see there is an island also will be there. So like that you can see there is a multiple road signs will be there. This is a handicap sign. This is a payment strip. Strip will be there beside the footpath. So whatever you require, you just go and add it as per your requirement. Okay, and the parking signs also, the vehicle parking. Just you go and add each and every family, and that family you have to be placed as per the requirement of your project. So now you just go in top view and place it the parking signs. Okay, so just click parking signs. You can see here all the parking signs will be come. So you just go again once again the loaded, straight, turn, highlight, everything. You just select it. It's going to be loaded. Insert menu, load family, you just load it. Because the component is not matching at all. That's the reason it's coming the same. So now it has been loaded, and after loading you can see, after loading here you can go here architecture, and here an option is there place component. You just click the place component. You can find here some of the parking signs, parking space, and some of the component, because what are the component, the parking sign, everything, it is going to be found here. Okay, so that way also we can able to do it. Or else you just go here insert menu, you can see there is a load family system. Click here straight line, you can see the parking signs have been added. So now click load family again, just go turn, just load it. Now you have to go, massing and site, parking component. Now you can see only this one is coming, but why this, I think the category is changed. I have to go place component here. In the place component, this all arrows, everything is going to be come. So just click here. Now you can place the line here. So sir, here this is the one way, this is one more way. Okay, so like that the symbols you have to place, the road sign, the parking sign. So some distance you can able to place, and here also you can place how you require. So one way, two way, the way direction you can able to place it by using this parking sign. Okay, and between these parking signs you maybe see some of the white color paint like that, it will be there. Am I right? So that also you can able to make it how, with the help of this massing and site, by clicking the topo surface, with the help of subdivide. Again with the help of subdivide you have to make it some parking signs, the division part like that. This is one, and now this one you have to make it sketch and put due some distance like that. So these are the things you have to be do. With some equal distance you have to be prepared as that. So each and every the road signs will become first. You have to be prepared like that. And after completion just go with tick mark. Now you can see these are the road signs between the, you can see this one, and you can provide some material here. Okay, so you just go some cladding white material, just go with okay. Now you can see this is our road, in between two way, one way, this is one way, this is one more way. This side is coming the vehicle, this side is vehicle. So between you can see these are the white color strip which is going to be placed here. So that is going to be worked out here with the help of this strip, with the help of this subdivide, this one subdivide. So with the help of subdivide we can design anything on the topo surface. Okay, so this is the shade. Now again you have to go architecture, place component, and you can see here there is a arrow direction, because now your building is going to be placed this arrow symbol, means this is the way the building has to be come. Okay, so this is the way. You can place one more strip also here. Okay, so building, here the road is there, directed road, here the entrance part is. So like that you can able to make it this road and the parking sign. Okay, sir, between the parking signs I want to put some island also. So the island also you can able to place it here. So you have to go again here, insert load family, and you can see there is a parking island. So you just go, load it and place it. With the help of architecture, components, and you can select here the island. So this island will become like that. So there is a different types of islands will be there. So which island you require, based on that island you can go and add. Okay, so now I require this island. So you can go and place it this island. So how the requirement of your road, you can put the island road. So here one island I required, and here also one island I required, and this island also, this is the way. So now this strip you have to make it sketch and you remove this one, because in between here you have placed the island. So in that island area this strip should not come. If you go in 3D you can see like that some of the islands will be there. This island is consisted with grass and surrounding this is a compound foundation. You can go in realistic, you can able to see this your island and this strip, everything is going to be visible as a realistic view. So always when you are going to work out here, you can see this is all the grass, and between the road you can able to see this is your road, star road, and this is the parking sign, and between the parking signs you are placing some here thickness. This thickness you have to make it small, some 2 mm or like that you can place it. Okay, some 0.02 here, 2 mm. It is not 0.010 because it should be come above, because exactly it should be matched the road. Yes. Okay. You can put some thickness because it is going to take some thickness also. Now it is because it is exactly touching with the road, the thickness will be less. Now here you can see these are the islands. So sometimes what will happen, the road is going to take some turning here, so this island will be helping for taking the turning point or some momentum from this side to that side is going to take. Okay, so like that each and every parking signs and parking islands also you have to place in this. Here there is one more island. So this one more island is also there, that is straight. You can go load family, you can see this is the island, it is going to become straight like that. And again go parking, architecture, parking, replacement component. Now you can see this type of one more island will be there. You can place it wherever you require. You can see this is one more island. This is different. That is different. That is coming curveness. This is coming straight. So you can find in highway there will be some like that it will be. So in the highway also you can see in between the road, between this road footway, in between they are going to put some plants, or the plant is covered with some strip and everything it will be there. Okay, so this is the way we have to be placed with all parking components. Now if you go inside the load family, in the side you can see there is a utility. Utility means the cable connections, the catch basin, the manhole, that we will call it catch basin also, because whatever the wastage is coming from the building, the catch basin also you can able to place, and there is a condensate connection, there is a DSL connection, so fiber optic internet connection, fire hydrant connectivity. So these are the manholes. In the road, if you want to place some manholes, you can able to place it. Some of the electrical pole, that also you can able to place it. Water connection also you can able to. There is a sewerage connection, that is also the roof drain, that is also. So whatever the utilities you require, utilities means comes under MEP services. So this will call the utility. So you just go here and make it the manhole. If you want to place, here my building, this part, here one manhole is there. Just click on the place, you will find there is a manhole. Maybe in the road, some part, some area you can see there is one manhole will be there. So you just place the manhole wherever the manhole is required, you just place it. Because in the between the road there will be some manholes will be there. So you just place that manhole and you just use the connectivity of that manhole. So how you require, you can able to make it the placement as per the requirement of the manhole. So that is also one of the way we can use it. So again, if you go inside load family, After utilities, you can see there is a logistic. So we can go with the logistic also. There is a truck, family, crane, there is a trailer, container. Okay, and there is a porta zone, this is dustbin, scaffolding, truck, there is a waste container, everything to it. So what you require, you just make it load and you just place it as per your requirement. Okay, so this all comes under logistics, means the utilities of the building, how we are going to use that. So everything you just go again, architecture, place component, and you can find here. If your building is constructing, so if you want to place some container beside your building, because the office will be there in the container, so you just place it. So the container is going to be placed here. This is a container. If you want to place something, the truck or something, you just go place component and you just select it. This is a truck pickup truck. Means all the vehicles is going to be running through this. With the help of backspace, you can make it rotate also. So now here this car is going this way, so I want to place it here in the road, so you can place it. So this all types of designing you can do it here. If you want to put some truck, so you can go here and check it here, that truck will be there. This is a porta zone. Porta zone is nothing but dustbin. If you click, you can place it the dustbin wherever you require. Sir, in entrance of the building, I want to put one dustbin here, big dustbin. So that is also going to be for the porta zone. So this is one porta zone, dustbin will be there. There is a door, everything will be there. So again, if you want to go here, place component, and if you want to place something, the other component, that is also possible, you can do it here. So manual is done here. You will go over here. There is a container, and then will be truck. Just click truck, and this vehicle, if you want to place here in the road, so you can go and place it on the road. So this vehicle is coming this way, and the car is going that way. So you have to place in 3D also, and the momentum also you can do it with the help of arrow direction. So this all external design you have to be good. Okay, and this porta cabin, you can see there is some height. There is some first floor, but you have to place in ground floor. So it will be placed exactly on the top. And where you require, you can place it. Sir, I require here this porta cabin. So you can place it there. So like that, your surrounding area of your building you can design. So these are the families from the Autodesk company they have given. But if you want to create any families from your own, so you can do it. No issue, you can get it. So you just go again in load family, you can see apart from the logic, you can see there is an accessories component like bike stand, bollard, and there is a dumpster, there is a flag pole, any pole, there is a parking bench, there is a planter, some planter means you want to place the plant here, and you can flower pot, we can say. Planter is nothing but flower. There is a cash basin, there is a dustbin you can utilize here. So how you require? If you require any bunch or some bench also, you can make it load here. If you require any planter, you just make it load here. Because some of the building you can see the entrance side they are going to put some plants. So they are going to place some of the planter also here. So go with again architecture, and if you want to place some bench here, so you just go and place the bench here. So bench will be there. This bench is consist with wooden. This side also I want to put some bench. So you can see, because some of the software company, if you go, you can find the surrounding of that building, they are going to place some benches, everything they are going to be make it in that business. And if you want to place something in the dustbin or the flower planter, that also possible you can do it. So everything, the family is available here. You just go and check which family you require, which component you need to place, so that you can do it as per your requirement. Now you just go here, each and every component with the help of this place component, because directly it will be not come. So you just go here, I want to place one planter here, just click place it. So in this planter you want to place the plants, you want to place some trees. So this planter is going to be helpful for placing the trees, everything. Okay, so now this planter has been placed, so you just go in plan view and you just make it the movement. Because in 3D I just placed somewhere, but you have to place exactly in the top view how where it is going to be counted. So now you can see this planter has been created. And this planter also you just give the level, which level you require. Now I require in ground level, it will place over the ground level. So exactly the ground level is going to be touched. And I think the ground level we have some minus level, you just use some 500. Exactly, it will be touched with the ground. It should touch with the ground. So with the help of topo, it should be touched. Like that you can see. Okay. So each and every component manually you have to go and place it as per the requirement of your project. So like that, this all planter, this all things, everything you can able to place. Now sir, here this part I want to put some grass. Alright. If you go inside the floor top view, you can see if you want to place some. Now this is the bench. Okay, this bench has been placed here. Now this part, this area, I want to put some grass. So again, you have to go here, Toposurface, and you have to go subdivide. Okay, so just click on the subdivide and make it the routing here. From where to where you want to make the graph. So from here to here, I want to put the graph. Means this is totally designed with the graph. So like that you can able to make it design in such a way. And this part I want to put a design in such a way. With the help of pick line also you can make it join. And you just place it. So this part I want to put a graph. So you just go with OK. Above the topo surface, this layer will came, and now here with the material you just go and put the graph. You just search it here, graph. You can see there is a graph material. Just click, go with OK. Now this part is coming with graph. And if you go in realistic, you can see exact the graph will be there. So then building this side, I have a grass, and over this grass I have a different types of plants. So you just go here, again massing and site, and there is an option is the site component. Just click the site component, and in the site component you can find here there is a plant, everything will be there. Okay, so that planting you have to make it a load, and that after doing that loading you will get the component. So you have to go insert load family, and you have to find here there is a planting. One folder will be there. In the planting you can see there is a number of trees, plants, everything will be there. So which you require, you just make it load, it will be complete. Now after loading you can see with the help of site component you will find here this all trees. So there is the Italian trees, Norway trees, the red chamber, there is a different types of trees will be there. So which one you want to place? Sir, I want to place this Chinese juniper. So just click here and just place it wherever you require. Sir, I require here. Just click, it has been placed. Okay, like that you can place it. Sir, I require some different trees here. So you just go here, just place it. This is one more tree. Like that. So if you go in 3D, you can able to see these all trees and plants. You can see. These are the trees. This is the some Christmas trees. Like that it will be there. Okay. And beside these trees, if you want to make it some boundary or something for pouring the water, or if you want to make it some cement block, so you can do it that also design by modeling here. And if you are directly placing something trees over here, that is also possible, you can do it. So now right now I want to place something, some of the trees in the planter. So you just go again insert load family and select some of the tropical plants here. So you can see after planting, again you just go marking and site component, and just click which plant you require. Sir, I want to place here one plant in the planter. Just click. One more the different planter I want to place here. You just go and place it here. One more plant inside the planter. If you want to place one more, you can place it. So like that, each and everything you can do it here. You can see this is the planter. So if you want to make it the height changes, so you can go here, edit family, and you can make it the change of the height. How much height you require, you can make. Sir, I require some 3 meters. So you just give the value up to 3 meters. So that planter is going to become a 3 meter size. You can see. It is 3 meters. So the sizes also you can able to change here. Which type of planter you the plant you require. So it is coming here. If you say no sir, I want only 2 meters, so you can put some 2 meters. So height of the plant also you can change it. Now you can see there is a 2 meters. No sir, I don't require this plant, I want to plant some different plants. So you can go here and search which plant you require. This is one more plant. This is, if you go here, this is one more plant. If you go here, this is one more plant. So there is a different types of plants. This is something the tree plants in such a way that is showing some flowers. You can change the height also. If you require some 3 meters, you just go and put some 3 meters. So this plant tree's height is going to be changed. You can see. I think this is the rose tree. Like that it will be fine. Okay, sir, I want to put some mud also inside this planter. So you can put some mud also, no issue. You just go here again, side component, and in the side component, you have to go again by clicking the topo surface, you have to go sub-result. And you can make it the planter inside with some mud material. So you just sketch, and here we sketch the height of the thickness of the planter. You can give some 1 meter I am giving here, and you have to give some mud. Earth is the material for the mud. You can select mud and just give it. So this planter is filled with the mud. You can see. If you go in 3D, you can able to find it. Okay, so the height I have given more, so you can make it some less height. 0.5. How much the thickness you can give, you can see. It is filled with mud like that. Because inside the planter there is a mud, and in the mud there is a plant, like that. This plant also you can make it some height also above. So I require some 0.3 meter height above, so it will become some 0.3 meter above. So here this stem, everything is going to be visible. Now you can see there is a flower planter, there is a mud, and there is a tree. Like that you can place it wherever you require. So it's a good workflow, because some people, so they will interested to work in this landscaping, because they want to place this all things and they want to do it in a project. This is the way we will make it out. Okay, so this is the way we can able to work out in a project process thing. Clear? So like that, when you are going to working in any project, you can go and make it the same way. Based on that, it is going to work out for the project. And if you want to place something like, sir, this is my total project, I want to give some property line. So you just go, click the property line, and you just create by sketching, because you are building property. Sir, my building property is from here to here only. Because the property you have to make it some dimension, and along with the dimension what is your area, you can make it that area also. So with the same you just make it close. So now this is your property line. This you are building property up to here. This is external apart from your building. So the property line also you can able to place it here. And if you go inside in load family, you can see there is a one more folder will be there. There is a entourage. Some of the persons you can also place here. Entourage. Just click on that. You can see there is a one car, there is a chair, there is a female person, and there is a person, female person, male person will be there. Okay, so what you require, you just go and load it, entourage in that, and you can able to find it this one. So this one you just go again, marking and site component. You can see there is a male person. So where this male person you want to keep, you just I want to keep it this male person here. The entrance of my building I want to place for this male person. Just click on that, the male person is going to be placed. Okay, you can see. This is the male person. If you want to give some height, you can give it some height. It is going to be visible top. And if you want to see in 3D, you can go and see in 3D also. You can see. This is one male person is standing here beside your area, beside your building. And here I want to put one car, sir. So you can go again, mapping and site component. You can see here. This is a betil, RPC betil is nothing but one car. You can place it here directly. So you just go in top view, you can place it exactly how you require. So just go here and you just place it the car here. The entrance of your building, you will find a car. If you go in 3D, you can see there is a car, there is a person. So you can make it movement because the person is going inside the car. You just make it movement. So the car is standing here and the person is standing here. If you want to put some other person also, you can go here. There is some female person is also there. Just click and just place it here wherever you require. So I require here. Just click, you can see there is some female person also. This female person you can make it movement also with the help of backspace. Turning, which side you want to make it turn. That is also you can do it. You can make it movement also where you require. This side also. Like this. If you want to put one more, you can go here. There is a number of female persons will be there. You can create yourself also. So these are the persons you can keep here in the road also, because this person is moving in the road. He is moving somewhere. He is standing here in the road. Like that you can make it. And this is your entrance of your building side. There is a grass. This is covered exactly with this door. And over this grass there is a bench. You can keep the bench also here. So how you require this all component with the help of this side component you can do it. So this all designs we will call it as landscaping, because the grass, plants, trees, everything you can make it. And after placing these all things, then you just give this presentation by exporting your file into this different format. And that format you can able to see in AutoCAD also. You can able to view this format in Navisworks also. You can view this format in this other format also. Okay, so like that, how you require you can do it. So based on the requirement, this everything will be considered in your project, and it's going to work out in the same after the requirement in the building. So these are the things we can do it. So the main utilization is Toposurface. Site component means all the requirements as per the site you can place it, and some of the parking signs, some vehicle parking signs is also will be there here. If you go with parking sign, you can see there is a parking strip. This parking strip is going to be identify your parking sign. Here one car vehicle will be there, here one car. Like that you can able to place it, the parking signs also here. Whenever you require, you can go and make it up. So this is the way we can able to work out in the project. Okay, and if you want to put something, in what we call as a swimming pool or something, that is also possible. You just go subdivision and make it some shape of that area, some down or some up. So that 3D shape you just do it, and with that 3D shape you can make it the swimming pool design, how the depth, how much you require, anything you can do it. That is also possible. And you can make it the contour level, some values also. With the help of these values, you can put some length of this contour point, how much the distance is. So some cases it is going to be asked. We are going to place some of the graded region also. In some mountain type of regions, if you want to sketch here, that is also possible, you can do it. the topo surface. Okay, like that you can make it some of the graded region also, how you require. So that is also possible in the plan, and with the help of that it is going to be visible the same graded region. Okay, so these are the site components, how these are going to be worked out here. And if you require some property line which you have given, just click it here, you can see your area of your project is going to be showing you. How much the area of your project has been designed. Based on the design, it's going to be showing the total area within square meter or square feet, how you require. You just go and change the unit. Based on that, it is going to be visible here. Okay, so like that, the topo surface, the site component, the roads, everything we can do it here. Okay, so always you remember these all things we will do by using this site component only with the help of it. Sir, I want to put some curbstone here. I want to give some footpath. So you can make it some footpath, curbstone, everything with the help of again marking and site. And here by clicking the topo surface, you can make it subdivide. And you can give the footpath. How much area you require the footpath. From where to where you require. So from here to here I require the footpath. So you can make it some footpath. And what is the thickness of that? You just give it. The footpath is going to be created. And over this footpath you are going to give some parking tiles. So give some parking tiles here. So with the help of that parking tiles, it is going to be provide the material. So tiles, some parking tiles will be there. So you just go and create your tile, flooring tile, whatever the tiles you require, you can place it. It is going to give that tiles here. Okay, and the thickness you can make it change also, how much you require. So I require only 1 meter thickness. It is going to come up 1 meter. This is the footpath. Beside the road there is a footpath will be there. So in the footpath we can put some curbstone here. We are going to place some curbstone, right? So how much the curbstone you require, that you can place it here. Or you can make it some more thickness also, some 50 mm. And with the help of modeling component, we are going to place some curbstone. Okay, so you have to go here, architecture, modeling place, and you just go with the site. Because right now we are working in the site, so you have to select architecture and you have to place the site also. And with the help of site, you are going to put some curbstone here. So with the help of sweep only we can do it, because these are the creation we can do with the help of our requirement. Now this is the path you have to select, and you can draw the profile here, which profile you require. Based on that, you can design the curbstone, how the curbstone you require. Sir, I require the curbstone this way. Or else you can draw separate profile for the curbstone design, you can do it. Or else directly you can design here also, edit profile. So you can make it design how the curbstone you require. So the curbstone I require this way. So you just design it as per the requirement, and the design, based on the design, the curbstone is going to be designed. And after design, just go with OK. Now you can see there is a curbstone has came beside the footpath. You can make it design. You can make it height down also, no issue. Because the profile how you are going to design, based on the design, it is going to be visible here. Okay, so just go again, edit profile and make it design some profile, the height, because it is not touching with the road, so you can make it the design more. You can give up to the below height, how much the height is required. And go with OK. So this is the curbstone is going to place it here beside the road. Now this is the road, and here there is some curbstone in it. So it is coming depth. So you can make it how much the distance you require. You just make it edit. So exactly this is your footpath, and in the footpath you will find there is a curbstone will be there. So like that you can. So in the shaded view it is going to be visible like that. But when you will do the real estate, it will be give exactly the material. And here there is a park bench will be there, there is a tree. So multiple trees you can place it how you require. You can place it here. And based on that it is going to be drawn. After finishing, just go with okay. Now this top should also you have placed here some footpath. So these all types of designs you can do it here by using site, and with the help of this site you can able to design all kinds of external utilities, parking signs, some of the logistics symbols, components, everything you can do it here with the help of it. Okay, so this is the way we can able to design all the parking components in each project. Okay, clear? So I hope everyone has got some idea about how to place these all parking components, signs, everything. So now your project, which project right now you have this, in that you just go the parking, Toposurface, everything, the parking signs, components, you just design your own. But if you go any project in a company, maybe some company people, they will give your landscaping drawing. So based on the drawing, you just make it link on that your Revit file, and you just go and check it each and every corner of that drawing, and you just make it design as per your input file. Or some project, some clients, they will tell you in such a way that you just design your own. You can design and just show me. And anything from the client side also, they will give some of the requirements, so you just proceed with that requirement also. If some clients, they are providing some input files, so based on the input files you can proceed with that. So these all things you can able to do it based on this design. But maximum your project is going to be designed based on the input files only. So some company, they will prepare the landscaping design drawing separately, because wherever they require the grass, wherever the road, wherever the footpath, in the opposite of your building, which building is located, so that building will, the road, everything, how they require. So everything they will give the input design, and based on the design you have to be do the profile, and you just create it your own with the help of this site component. Yes. Which one? Yes. If you want to create some swimming pool, that is also possible, we can do it. Because what will happen here in the 24th version, one menu is there here, we can say building pad. So with the help of that building pad, we can do it some swimming pool like this. But right now, if you want to make it a swimming pool, you can go here and you just create your modify, or you can go with the edit sketch. So with the help of edit sketch, you can sketch it your design where you want the swimming pool. So just go here and make it here that view, and you can see here one swimming pool will be shown. Sorry, not this one. This one. By clicking, and here you have to go subdivide. Again you can go the subdivide, and you can sketch the view where you require the swimming pool. Now I am left here, the swimming pool I require here. This is going to add with the building pad like this, and you just give the subtraction value, how much depth you require. Sorry, some 5 meters minus. Because the land should be go beyond that. go here, the topography, yes. Or you can create topo solid or smooth. And here you just give some name, okay, and go here, wide extrusion. You have to cut it step by. Okay, so with the help of wide, you just select the sketch of that topo, sketches boundary, sketches you just select it. Okay, after selecting, you just go here with OK. Now this part is going to be cut. How to make it something inside, somewhat you just make it here. This side also some 100 mm. Inside you have to make some 100 mm. And now you just increase this wide extrusion up to top. So how much portion is required, you just make it at top. Okay, after making, now you have to go with the cut down. Now this is your solid, or this is your cut point. Here also you have to make it some depth more. How much the thickness is required, that is here. What will happen, that area is going to be get the cut down in this part, and this part is going to be here. And after cutting the smooth, and this topo, existing topo also this is to be removed. So smooth. Top boundary also you have to be adjusted. Both sides you have to make it also. Now you just go with the cut down. It has been cut, this part. Okay. After cutting this part, now your topo should be removed from this area. Alright? Because right now the cut jointly has it, but existing topo you have to remove. So you have to go here. It's okay. Now you have to go original topo surface, and you have to go with the modified element. And with the help of modified element, you need to go with the sketch. And here, this part you want to make it a move. With the help of pick line, you just select it. This part also you just select it. Let's go with OK. Now you can see. This is the swimming pool, you can see, and this area to use some material. Now this topo solid, you just go edit in place, and here with the help of that wide extrusion part, you can edit some values here. remove the topo surface. Now surrounding you can see like some swimming pool like that you will find it. So what you will do first, you just sketch it in such a way, because the topo surface you have to give some depth, and the surrounding now the topo surface has been came depth like that. This is the hollow part, and this hollow part you have to go with white extrusion, and here this is the side. You can make it a draw with the wall or something, you can do it, no issue, because after getting the depth, the side you can design with some wall. Okay, with the help of extrusion also you can able to do it. So if you go in side plan top view, with the help of extrusion also you can draw some wall with some clothing entity surrounding the place. Okay, so you just go here, surrounding or inside, or you can make it some wall. So then for this line also you can do it. Click, click. Four side you just select it in such a way, and you just draw it. And again give some offset of the thick line, some wall thickness, how much you require, some 100 mm or 50 mm, whatever you require, and make it 0.5. So here this is the wall thickness. So inside the swimming pool the wall should be complete. So now make it close. So earlier first you just design this one, then later you can do the material, how much portion you require. So now this will become, if you go in 3D, you can check. This one is the view, you can make it. How much you require, the wall, surrounding wall. And after making the surrounding wall, now you can remove this topo surface also. If you remove this topo surface, your surrounding wall is going to be visible with it. Okay, so the wall thickness also you have to do it properly. This is your topo, this is your wall, and inside the wall this is a pad, this is pad, and the pad is storing with water, and here this is your swimming pool. So like some water material you just show it, so it is going to. So in the swimming pool you can put some ladder or some railing, everything, the sitting part that you can do. So first you will, what you will do, you just create separately one topo surface, and that topo surface you have to give some height, how much the swimming pool depth you require, that is the depth you just give it. And after giving the depth, with the help of modeling place component, in component modeling place, you just remove the topo surface surrounding area and just make it hollow with wide extrusion. And after making the wide extrusion, then again with some solid extrusion you just go and make it with the solid extrusion, and just solid extrusion just use some water material, which will become the solid of swimming pool. So like that you just go and make it like design, so it will become. So I just go exactly water, I just go to place it. So if the water is not there, you can make it because in water material is there. If it is not there, you just go here, asset manager, and you can find here the water material. Okay, you have to go here, you can find water material will be there. See, it's all blue solid, it's all water only, but it is the name they have not given. Here, you can see water here. This is water, this is water. You just go and double click on that. The material is going to apply here, and this is going to be visible. what will happen underground, there is some side where you can able to place some solid extrusion material, and that material is consist with a wall, and that wall is going to be visible everywhere where the requirement is. So you can make it this wall extrusion extended up to beside this topo surface also you can able to do it. Because this design you can do as per your own. You can make it edit also. Now you can see this all consists with solid, and above also if you go you can find it. So this like that you can place it swimming. But actually the old version directly they have given one menu as a building pad. If you draw a sketch on that pad, so automatically what will happen, the topo is going depth, how much depth you require, and that surrounding the depth you can sketch it with the extrusion like water or something. You use some solid material on that, like the material with water or something. So it will be look like this is the swimming pool. So with that you can do it here. And after finishing, just go with finish. Now you can see this is swimming pool like that. And if you go below, you can find that the swimming pool depth will be there. And if you create some walls, the surrounding walls, you can see how much you require. Like that it will become. The topo you can make it delete also. If you delete the topo, or you can make it hide or topo. You can make it hide also. Right click, make it hide. The topo is going to be hide, and your swimming pool is going to be visible like that. So you can make it water, surrounding, house, surrounding, everything you can design it. You can see the below it will become. And the floor you have to do some swimming pool, the building pad floor you have to do. Or also you can directly place it here in topo. You can see there is one floor will be there. So this floor you can make it unhide and just go with the floor. This is the top. So again, the topo with solid floor it is going to be visible. So like that you just try it once, it will be getting. But this is the way right now we have to do. And in the top view you can make it adjustment of all the sides, all the views, how much the distance, everything you can make it adjust here in top view. So how much the distance of your swimming pool required, what is the size of the swimming pool, everything you can make it adjustment here in top view. Because how much portion you require, you can make it adjustment. So it will give you as a swimming pool in the top view. When you will see anywhere, you will find this is a swimming pool or something. Okay, if you go depth, you can see there is a swimming pool depth. This is underground, so outside the mud will be there. Beside the mud there is a wall, and inside the wall there is water. Like that you can see. But surrounding you can put some design also, like there is a floor tiles or something, the sitting arrangement, everything you can see like that.